Namaste everyone and welcome to our channel Indic Lore, where we talk about the fascinating inventions that have changed the world. Today, we are going to talk about some incredible Indian inventions that have changed the course of history forever. From wireless communication to complex hydraulic engineering, India has given the world a wealth of knowledge, and we are going to explore them all with an emotional touch. Let's start with wireless communication. Did you know that the concept of wireless communication was first discovered by an Indian physicist named Jagdish Chandra Bose? His pioneering work laid the foundation for the modern-day radio and television. He once said, "The wireless transmission of power and intelligence is an achievement which is destined to revolutionize the world." India has a rich history of hydraulic engineering, and one of the most significant examples is the Kalnai Dam in Tamil Nadu. Built over 2000 years ago, it's still standing strong and providing irrigation to the surrounding areas. The ancient Indian engineers used complex hydraulic principles to design and build structures that were not only durable but also sustainable. Now, let's talk about something that we use every day: buttons. Yes, buttons were also invented in India. The humble button was first used in the Indus Valley civilization over 5000 years ago. It was made of seashell and used to adorn clothing. The ruler is another everyday item that we take for granted. But did you know that the first ruler was invented in India? The ancient Indians used a measuring tool called Yogyapatra to measure lengths and distances. Moving on to something more contemporary. Let's talk about the flush toilet. Yes, the flush toilet was also invented in India. The Indus Valley civilization had an advanced sewage system that included flush toilets, and it's still considered one of the most sophisticated of its kind. Another invention that has changed the way we store and transfer data is the pen drive. The USB pen drive was invented by an Indian named Ajay Bhatt. His invention revolutionized the way we store and transfer data, making it more portable and convenient. Steel is another invention that has changed the world. Did you know that India was one of the first countries to produce steel? The Wood's steel, which originated in India, was highly prized for its strength and durability and was used to make swords and other weapons. Now, let's talk about something that has revolutionized mathematics: the invention of zero and the value of pi. The concept of zero was first introduced by the ancient Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, and the value of pi was first calculated by another Indian mathematician, Madhva. Moving on to something more scientific, let's talk about atoms. Did you know that the concept of atoms was first proposed by an Indian philosopher named Kanada? His work laid the foundation for modern atomic theory. India has also given the world the gift of Ayurveda, and one of its most popular products is shampoo. The word shampoo comes from the Hindi word shampoo, which means to massage. Ayurvedic shampoo is made from natural ingredients and is known for its nourishing and cleansing properties. India was also a pioneer in the field of surgery. Sushruta, an ancient Indian surgeon, is known as the father of plastic surgery. He performed complex reconstructive surgeries, including nose jobs and earlobe repairs. Indian surgeons were also the first to perform cataract surgery. We cannot forget one of the most popular and oldest games in the world: chess. The game of chess was invented in India during the Gupta Empire, and it has since become a beloved game worldwide. Chess is not just a game, it's a test of strategy, patience, and critical thinking. Last but not least, let's talk about yoga. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that has been around for over 5,000 years. It's not just a physical exercise, it's a way of life. Yoga has numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, improving flexibility, and enhancing mental clarity. It has become a global phenomenon and is practiced by millions of people worldwide. India has given the world a wealth of knowledge, and these inventions are just the tip of the iceberg. From ancient times to modern times, Indians have always been at the forefront of innovation, and their contributions have changed the world forever. So, let's take a moment to appreciate and celebrate these incredible inventions that have made our lives better and easier. That's all for today's episode of Indic Lore. I hope you enjoyed learning about these Indian inventions. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Namaste.